Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off all notifications for Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And now to turn off all notifications for Snapchat, you must first go to settings. To do that, tap on the profile picture icon or Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of your phone. Tap there. And after landing on this interface, you can see the settings button or the gear icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. And now after that, you will need to find the notifications option over here, which is under the partner connections or options. Over here you can see the notifications. Tap on notifications, and now you can see the enable notifications option over here. If you want to disable all of the notifications given by Snapchat, tap on the tick mark of the enable notifications like this, and you can see all of these are disabled. And this is how you turn off all notifications for Snapchat, and it's that easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.